Hello guys, welcome to my Scorings and Dhananjay technology channels. Through these channels, we conduct small introductory parts of the different technical, non-technical seminars conduct throughout the world. So today I like to introduce that is corporate MNC technique solution strategy and artificial intelligence, which will be used for crackdown MNC interview and job seminar. The time duration is 14 to 16 hours or 2 days. So if you like to join, you should have to be booked your seat, join seminar, and for the details you will get www.scoringzone.com, and there the click on page seminar and events, you will get different time and dates and different locations conduct throughout the world. So this is the introductory part of the seminar, and basically we conduct why you want to join this seminar. This is the one. Already I told to use 14 to 16 hours. That is, we conduct seminars or 2 days. So this is the complete copyright, patent, and property of the connection. So before we go into the some introductory part, so you should have to be subscribed Connection Dhananjay technology channel, so that you will get different introductory part of the different seminars, technical, non-technical. So click on the bell icon or informative seminar for different technology. For getting more on technical and non-technical small introductory seminars and its content for boost your career, and so subscribe the channel. That is Connection Dhananjay technology. And so basically you should, after watching all these videos or something, you should have to make some comments and provide some what kind of information or some improvement and update you liked. You should have to tell us. We will improve according to that also. So basically eligibility for this is so any kind of graduation or post graduation or PhD, or you are pursuing any graduation, that will be better. Or if you are doing some diplomas, but better than if you go for the graduation and all these things. So all will be eligible for this seminar. So while pursuing the graduation, and if the candidate join the seminar, that will be great positive point, because candidate himself get more time modify himself or herself. So basically, if you're pursuing any graduation, and it will somewhat get good time for you, means from that, because after you join the seminar, you will give some loopholes in you, so that it will get more time to improve yourself. So it will be minimum 3 to 4 months required for further your modification. Personal to personal, time required for modification is somewhat very different. So like to introduce our Conixion. It will be some client and product based software company, and different technologies we are working, some artificial intelligence, finance, banking, CRM, ERP, embedded technology, business solutions, mobile solution, hotel management, retail and health and insurance. The company is now working on next generation of cutting edge software technology. Much of the design, development and implementation of these solutions will be done at the Scorningson Development Center in Pune. So this company works all over the world, all of the technology and all of the fields. So if you like to join the seminar 14 to 16 hours or book your online, already I explained to you, page and website also already given. And if you like to call, or if you have any questions regarding that, you should have to be we are providing a number that is +91, that is the India code, and the rest of this 9935531195 is the mobile number is there. You can drop any message or some email to us. We will reply in 48 hours. So my introduction is, my name is Dhananjay. I'm a BE company and 30 years at different companies. I'm working as a CEO and directors, and these are the group of the companies that is we are conducting all over the world. And basically we have actually I have working with the big top MNCs and work as the interview also. So thousands freshers and experienced candidate I choose. And so I have experience of how to choose and where the loopholes and where the rejection points, that will be I will explain. So this is the crackdown of interview is the main purpose of the seminar. So we conduct in the 14 to 16 hours the how to crack down seminar by using different strategy, tools and solutions that you should not get anywhere this knowledge, because nobody tell how to crack down the interview. So easy shortcut way of crack down interview is spoon feed knowledge will provide you in within a 14 to 16 hours, and it saves your time, money and efforts. So this seminar conducts very excellent expert personalities that minimum have 30 plus experience, and they have very wide experience of conducting interviews, taking interviews and choosing the right person for the company. And all seminar conduct professional personalities are. We conduct almost more than 500 big MNC data collected, and still we are collecting the data at what their strategy, the big MNCs, medium MNC or small MNCs also, what strategies they are ruled to means conduct interviews and how to hire their candidates. So that will be spoon feed a knowledge they will get without any efforts or something. So it will be spoon feeding knowledge to you. Regular and continuously company management upgrade the seminar. Our company collect data from 500 to topmost company. Our company suggests through this seminar different tools, strategy and solution with artificial intelligence for crackdown interview. So worldwide we conduct the seminar, that is more than up to this moment 1,400 universities, 15,000 colleges over the world, and India and abroad 90 countries. In past 25 years, company management trying to the best level to sort out freshers and experienced candidate problem for crackdown MNC or any type of company interviews. So the crackdown process, if you go for the world, that should be 95 to 90% is world of the someone are the same things. Differences were not somewhat very slightly differences 3 to 5%. Answer is almost same, and somewhat slight minute changes are there. So the process somewhat all MNCs or something there 5% you can maximum consider it will be get change, but the rest of the things are very same things there. So after graduation or pursuing the graduation, what the things and why the people do some mistakes, means by default candidate do the mistakes in pursuing the graduation or after the graduation, join the training institute, and they have many vain concept or loopholes in their brains. They just join the 3 to 6 month training course. What they think in mind is that after completion of the 3 to 6 months training course, they will get a job. I think it's very misunderstanding and misleading information is that. Basically why I'm explaining this, it is a waste of time, money and efforts. So what the thing is, what the problem is remain the same after joining the training institute. Let's see, before joining training institute or job consultancy, candidate main problem is how to get a job. See, this is when a big problem for the basic candidate, they don't understand what to go do next. So candidates search job before joining training institute or job consultancy, right? So candidate fell into a confused state for how to getting a job. The candidate decide to join training institute, complete course of 3 to 6 months course. Fine. So here candidate do the mistakes. After completion of the course, candidate again search the job. Means before he is searching the job, again he after that means he have misconcept, misleading information that after 3 to 6 months course of training or any language or any something design or any course of practical, so that should be getting some boost to their knowledge and they will get easily something job. So as far as we gone through all these things, freshers or experience something, candidates, this is the misleading things, that myth is there. So the thing is, after wasting money, time and efforts, again candidate search them. Is before that he is searching the joining 3 to 6 months, time waste, money, efforts, all gone waste, and again he seems to be searching the jobs. So it seems two facts, that candidate problem remain the same from the job search. Means the main theme or main problem of the freshers candidate is how to get a job, or experienced person is how to get a somewhat any bigger package job, that remain the same is that one. So here we focusing all these things. So big question is, why candidate joining training institute or job consulting? It is a myth that after joining the training institute or job consultancy, candidate will get job. This is the misconception. No training institute or job consultant give in return that after completion of the course, candidate will get 100% confirmed or sure job. After graduation, candidate mind myth concept that candidate will get job by joining training institute or job consultancy. Candidate don't understand their main problem is how to crack down into a job, get a job. So basically, if you want to entrance into any MNC or getting a good job, you should have to be good strategy, techniques, tools you should know to how to crack down into and get a job. Why should we telling you? Because in within 30 years of our experience, we gone lakhs and thousands of thousands peoples we conduct interview, and we know how to where the rejection point is. So this is the thing, is that knowledge we are giving without any hurdle or anything in the 14 to 16 hours, that you should have to be spoon feed. When you can implement that and just go over there, implement the strategy, tools, techniques, that one, and crack down the interview and get a good job and start your career. So what to do? So don't waste your money, time and efforts. So rather than joining test or job consultancy, we suggest join practical knowledge basis seminar. That is, the seminar always be based on practical basis. So rather than wasting money, time, 3 to 6 months course, effort, seminar give complete knowledge, technique, tools, strategy, search job, how to crack down into and get a job. So here seminar give practical experience, sharing knowledge in 14 to 16 hours. Candidate get complete crystal clear knowledge how to search job, crack down into and get job. So there are two differences we can get. Some first part you should get. So we suggest you have to join the practical knowledge basic seminars, and you are wasting your money in time, money and efforts also. And here the seminar always be based on practical knowledge. We are sharing our 30 years of team. This is a team of who are conducting a seminar and sharing all the techniques, knowledge and strategies to you to get a job and crack down the interview and get a job. So so many people and candidates attend the interview and they don't know rejection point in an interview. Why they get, if they fail the interview, why they get rejected. So rejection point into seminar tell you exact where rejection point and cause and failure in interview. The candidate stuck for don't understand cause of failure in interview. Seminar tell you exactly reason and cause of failure of interview. So join senior for get exact cause of failure in interview and easily crack down interview. So this is our experience. Why we reject a particular candidate. That's as an interview we are conducting. So that spoon feed knowledge we exactly, then you will understand where your rejection point, why you get rejection. But if we tell to you that these are the different scenarios and different rejection points, you will get alert yourself that yes, this is the rejection point, you should not implement that way, just implement like this, right, wrong, and this is very easily you can crack down the interview. So again, I request you to subscribe Skonijan Dhananjay Technology for different technical, non-technical, introductory parts of the seminars. You will get what are different type of seminars conducting through this Skonijan Technology. So book your seat through the skonijan.com or click on seminar on page. And if you are any queries, you just implement and message through WhatsApp or bot team any that should be provided closer to 919935531195. uh, and if you want to ask more questions or something, sconexon@hotmail. You should have to be get queries through the emails. You will get 40 hours. Within 40 hours you will get a reply. So what is that's different point is follow college fakes and cheap training. Cheap training is something, see, college contain non-professional rupees 50 to 100 per candidate charges use cause cheap training. This training based on following points. See, person those who are conducting on call by college for some improving your somewhat knowledge, he like to be pretend, because see, is person conducting is now non-professional persons, because knowledge given is non-used for company projects and crackdown interview. Why? Because that person who was working on 50 rupees to 100 rupees, he exactly don't know how to crack down into, because he is not entering into the MNC, and that he is conducting and pretend you in front of you that he is the best for you, giving professional knowledge how to crack down into. Basically he is failure in the most of the 99% of the people who are conducting like these improving your knowledge or improving something technical or non-technical or whatever maybe. That cheap trainings doesn't work out. Person conducting is non-professional person, knowledge given is non-used for company project and crackdown into, that is baseless knowledge, because he is not getting job in MNC. That's why he doing like this job. This training content not exactly know what kind of knowledge or project required, right? So project required is somewhat very different and professional, and how much percent of out of 100 will required might be 20 to 25% only knowledge you which you are conducted in a course of any graduation or something, that will be required for conducting the projects. And the trainer, those who are pretend that he knows the knowledge, he don't have any experienced persons, or he don't have any experience on any projects or entrance in MNC or that, but he says that what he knowledge he is giving to you, that should be perfect for you crack down the interview. I think it is absolutely misleading and misconduct, and it's really a myth knowledge, myth information. Teaching person always non-professional, no experience or MNC, because person not get interest into MNC, don't understand concept of the MNC, teaching don't have quality or standard. All these are fake trainers, but these trainers pretend that they have MNC experience. Sometimes these people show fake identity that they have rich experience of MNC and come from MNC. So be alert of that one. So also provide fake assure that what the teaching candidate will get job. These fake trainer teaching are fake and myth. Sometimes college using this fake trainer conduct fake recruitment drive for showing college is good and have name in campus interview. So many most of the, you can say 15 to 60% of college, they for their own showing their good college productivity or something standard is something colleges or good. So sometimes they call fake recruiter drives. If the company have good MNC, that candidate definitely not come to like this fake interviews or something. But the college should always for sometimes conduct big drives and conduct and select all class batch or something. If there is a 120p students are there, they select all the 120. I don't think this is the it's absolutely a wrong thing is that, because out of this, if you just join or attend your interviews in campus, you will understand out of 100 might be 1 or 2 candidates might be get selected, or sometimes it whole batch get rejected. Sometimes college using this fake trainer conduct fake recruitment drive for showing college is good and have name in campus interview. So what the candidate do the mistakes that we will see. The fresher candidate do mistake repeatedly again and again. Candidate after finishing graduation or pursuing graduation do mistake join training institute or job consultancy. This is the one first mistake they do. They don't understand how to approach for the MNC and something, even though they are sending resume to the, or resume you can say biodata or some to the MNC or medium, small or big. that should be not appropriate, and they don't understand, and they didn't get any call letter from there for interview or something. And this uh, so for joining directly, they join the training institute. This is the things first do mistake. This is one, it is a bad habit that join training institute, complete one course and again join another course in training institute. Means after completing one course 3 to 6 months, they said again I will get another joining course for another, that will be boost their own career or something. Again there is a big miss, you can say bad mistake is there. It increase unnecessary hurdle of the candidate. Means how, see, one course you didn't get job, two course another job, so you will not get job. So it will be the potential what you represent in the MNC, that will be uh, increase your scenario, or increase your um, whole scenario is something that so many questions in front of you from the interviewer, because he interviewer will definitely understand. Means one course you will not get job, second course you will not get, just means you are not perfect in any things, so more course more chance of failure in an interview. So we'll see what is the difference is college training institute and job consultancy. College training institute, job consultancy and MNC company concept are different. See, college money making and earning scheme, college A plus grade, fake concept grade purchase by college using money. See, different colleges show there in website that they have A plus grade, A plus grade. Don't go like this while taking admission in college. You just see the what the campus is going, what they are teaching is good. That's it. Don't go for A plus plus. Nothing is that. After you joining after 12th or something, that you should have to find yourself, that the study is the only way, that if you understand it well by a person, those who are teaching you in a college, that is okay. Otherwise you should have to be followed by yourself only. Nobody will guide you like this key A plus and a like grade is there and this college is very good. Don't go like that. College is bound to fee, and fee bound to 3 or 4 years degree course in a certificate. Definitely college is bound to the university, and university has to be bound to 3 or 4 years of graduation or 2 years of post graduation or something like that. So what the fees you are paying to the college is only for that purpose, and they have handed to you the completion of the course degree or PG degree course certificate. Some colleges purposely not allowed campus it or recruitment. That was that their standard is not that appropriate, right? Due to that, the standard is not appropriate, and the candidate what they're teaching in the college is not that up to that level of the MNC. So that the thing is, it's very difficult for them to present MNC and hold the batch is batch and batch. The things are very get rejected. So what did they do? Something rather than calling for the MNC or medium scale MNC or small scale MNCs for the interview, rather than they avoid all these things. And college hide the two things of interview. College only concerned with the 3 to 4 year graduation fee and bound to the handed graduation certificate. It's fine. College is no more concerned with whether you get a job or not. College training institute and job consultancy never tell you how to crack down into the process. See, the any college training institute or job consultancy, they don't know understand. The thing is how to crack down the interviews. In college, it for 3 to 4 years of a graduation, that the crackdown of interview and exactly what things and what knowledge is required for the projects what conducted by the MNC, and that one that should be not tell by anything. Fine. So training institute and job consultancy. Now see the what the thing is, training institute what they do and job consultancy what they see. Money making and earning scheme, and this is also based on the same like this money making and earning scheme is there. Training institute is bound to fee, and fee bound to 3 to 6 months course is there. So same like college is there. They want money from the candidate, that's it, and go to the home. Training institute basically low grade, low level, low standard teaching, but advertised like present or more and more candidate student join the course. See, training institute always be based on uh, fake advertisement. Means training institute don't have any concept of conducting projects. Not whole of the word training institute don't have concept of the how to complete the projects. They don't know exactly what kind of knowledge is required for the projects. Means if you go to the MNC and if you see that what the training institutes before you go on or something, what course and what is that, they don't understand, because this is not a MNC or is they just training you basically start to end. But out of the book of that one, how much percent they know and exactly what kind of knowledge is required for projects, they can't provide. Because see the training institute, the person those who are running the training institute basically didn't get a job in MNC, so that he start for the training institute. Same for the job consultancy person, those who are not enter into the MNC, so he start for job consultancy and he pretend to that in front of you that he have a knowledge of all the things and how to know the projects and how to conduct the projects, and he providing the job for you, and he will also provide you how to crack down the interview. I think this is the misleading and misguiding and completely misguiding information is that one. So I like to suggest you avoid all these things. There is absolutely no need of all these things. And what the teaching is inside in training institute or sometimes job consultancy also, some conduct some teaching course or something. So it is a baseless things are teaching is of no use. Not a single training institute know the concept of MNC project implementation, project manufacturing or design of the product. See, remember all these things. So knowledge given by training institute or no use for MNC project implementation or fake experience certificate. So this is one of the biggest scam is there. The training institute is not a MNC or not a company is there. First, you try to understand the difference between this. Training institute is not a company. So training institute doesn't follow any MNC concept for the project or for the projects. So training institute don't know understand the project implementation of, so but they pretend so something is which is not giving the knowledge which is not used for project which is conducted in MNC. And they also give some offer that you will provide a fake experience certificate. Don't take that fake experience certificate, because the interviewer and the MNC person, those who interview, he have a really good experience of how to conduct the interview, and if you provide any fake experience of that one certificate of the any training institute, he immediately recognizes and he will say the company will get, MNC will get back to your company, but because he understand you are doing any fraud, right? After graduation or post graduation, no need to do any course or training institute or join job consultancy. Training institute, unprofessional staff trying to make practice on a knowledgeable candidate and trying to improve your knowledge. See, training institute where those who are teaching, that person also not get entrance into the MNC, right? Because he is unable to crack down the interview and he's trying to make practice on you, the fresher candidates or sometimes experienced candidates, because the experienced person also want to switch from one technology to another. That way, the unprofessional staff is that the staff, the person those who are teaching to you, he is trying to make practice on trying to make his knowledge profitable, but I think is absolutely a very bad practice of professional person. Very really you can consider as a garbage of that one. So be aware of that one and trying to improve his knowledge. So basically that person don't have any knowledge of how to crack down the interview. Unprofessional, poor capability, knowledgeable and incompatible teaching staff of training institute unable to crack down interview of MNC, right? This knowledge they are unable to provide you. So no entrance or experience of MNC, basically they searching the job. So they didn't get no knowledge perfect, no entrance they get in experience of MNC, and basically they searching the job. But they make practice on you and they make trying to pretend that do like this, what they are teaching to you, that will be perfect for project what they conduct, for project that conducted by the MNC. It is a misleading and misguided information. This situation is very complicated, strange and abnormal. Means one blind person, that is means teacher staff, he's searching a job, right? He's making practice on you, he don't have any knowledge of crack down the interview, showing another blind person, the candidate who want to understand, he want to looking him as a guiding person, or he like to be taking knowledge from the teaching staff. He is also blind, the candidate is also blind, and both are blind person destination path, that is how to crack down into and how to get, and they, one blind person is showing another blind person a destination path, that how to crack down into and how to get a job. See how the very strange situation is there. Even though above situation, training institute, job consultancy claim after completion of the course of knowledge based candidate will get a job, means what they are teaching in training institute and job consultancy, same as the colleges also. Colleges want to only say graduation certificate or PG certificate, they don't have any knowledge of how to crack down the interview. Knowledge based candidate will get a job. See, this is very strange scenarios, strange situations, and that's why the freshers, or sometimes most of the times experienced person also get confused. Nobody give written 100% guarantee that after training institute course candidate will get a jobs, right? So training institute, you just go to the training institute, and if you want to join the 3 to 6 months experience, I didn't suggest you like this, but you can demand that 100% sure you can give me give return that you will get 100% job after completion of the course of the training institute. The not a single training institute you will give you 100% guarantee or return to you. Some owner of training institute and job consulting person are not educated, right? This, they have the money, they just invested in that, and this is the money earning and something money pull up from you, the candidate, that's it. They don't have any knowledge of also there. Training institute or job consulting drive fake interview process and select 2 to 3 candidates for their job. So many training institutes for their own showing the standard of the training institute. What they do, sometimes they fake interview process, they still drive in the their own training institute campus or some offices that, but then they selected 2-3 candidate nominal for jobs. Joining date girl after 4 to 5 months. See what this scam is they doing. But after 4 to 5 months, candidate understand that company is not selected them and cheated. See, basically MNC will not do like this. If they are genuine MNCs there, they will drive thousands of people can attend the interview, right? Because they selected only 3-4 candidates after that one. But what the joining, some training institute, I say I didn't claim for all the, but training institute, some training institute, they do like this, and joining date they are giving 4 to 5 months, because after within 4 to 5 months next batch that started, and the previous batch was get all go to home. The training institute taken their money, the course is completed, and go, and they have to show that the only 4 to 5 3-4 candidate, 2-3 candidates are get selected, and you go on, and when the next drive of MNC will come, they will call to you or something. But this is very strange situation is there. But after 4 to 5 months, candidate understand that company is not selected them and get cheated, right? Some MNC employee come with the true identity in training institute for conduct fake interview and process for money making and earning. See, money making and earning process is this very big scam is there. Select 2-3 candidates only. MNC don't know about this. See, MNC's topmost management don't understand all these things. Some candidate, MNC is good. MNCs all good. MNCs, those who have a very standard, they do very strict follow the rules and regulation is there. But some MNCs employ like that one for money earning and making like this process, they do like this. Be aware of that. So what need to get MNC job? See, basic we are now just saying that, means exactly we are giving knowledge what to do. You means what do you want to crack down the interview, how to get a job. See, what need to get job, MNC job. First thing is very, very strong merit and always preferred. We always prefer strong merit. If a genuine candidate have, then very always we go with their strong merit and always prefer that. And second thing is strong money. Some companies might be get very few, 2 to 3% or something like that, very, very less. Strong money it is because see, company is conducting training on you. They give only, if you join the MNC, they will give the knowledge at what project is needed. Means out of, if you go for the college, training institute and job consultancy, they conduct 100% of training. Is what they don't understand the concept, project of concept. But MNC, what they do, they will give only 20% of them what the required for the project. That's it. This is out of the things. All the rest of the training what the conduct college, training institute and job, that is the garbage is there. And they have very, very, very strong standard is there. MNC conduct is that they have give the knowledge what the project is needed. That's it. So some companies conduct the accept money, and it is short time jobs. Means they will not give the permanent job, but they no guarantee of permanent job after completion of their part of the projects. Because projects are very big projects, and there some models are there. So according to that, some they took strong money, but be aware of that. With you just choose that the MNC, those who are conducting are accepting money from that MNC should have a very standard of that one. Strong identity or recognition by higher professional designation identity. It is a short time period job and no guarantee of permanent job. See, third option is that some person, those who are working in MNC, should have identity or recognition by higher personality designation. Then he will conduct interview for you, but you should have to be prepared well, and you should know the at least 80 to 90% of knowledge. Then he will definitely accept you as that, and remaining the loopholes and that he will get corrected within 6 months to 1 year. But strong identity means strong recognition will be required from the MNC, but I don't think so that it will be something 0.001% is that one. And that I definitely not preferred third option is that is a strong identity or recognition. I like to suggest you avoid that one. In second option, strong money, also avoid. I suggest you avoid that one. First option is strong merit. You always be accept that. If none of the above with the candidate, then fourth option is if none of the above with the candidate, then seminar will help you for getting them. Means who will help? Then who will get exactly what to do, how to crack down the interview, that we are here. Yeah, we are sharing our experience, how do we conduct the interview, different scenarios and different techniques, tools, strategies, different options, lot of things we will conduct it 14 to 16. Just listen that one, implement, and will give you return. If you implement that, 100% you will get entrance into the MNC. That is the things, you will get a good package that will give you return that way. So again, I say to you and request you to join the seminar. If you like the things, go for the seminar, 14 to 16 hours, 2 days. So many different seminars on the website as they there, sconixzone.com. Click on page seminar and event. If you want any queries or drop a message to the or something important to you, positive 9199355311 for you, or email to us sconixzone@hotmail.com. Within 48 hours you will get the reply. So we suggest you change the way of thinking of by joining the seminar. Rather than we are suggesting you to join the training institute or job consultancy or something garbage, rather than you directly join our seminars, you will get the spoon feed knowledge, how to crack down this. Means it saves your money, times, and efforts also. Unnecessary you are searching here, there, and unnecessary warning. No need of that one. Join the seminar on no need of training institute or job consultancy. What I'm saying to you, college, training institute or job consultancy never tell you how to crack down the interview process, but this seminar knowledge, tools, strategy tell and teach you how to crack down the interview, right? This is the one we designed this course of this seminar, this seminar which is based on a practical knowledge. So we are providing the knowledge straightforward. Means no need of do look at here and there as some things. Means we are already collecting different MNCs datas, so almost small and medium scale also cover into that one, and you will get very straightforward within the less 14-16 hour, rather than doing the course of 6 months 1 year's course. Just do implement that way, and definitely 100% you will get the crackdown the interview with the good package. After joining seminar, company commitment. This is we are giving the commitment. Believe us, it is a company commitment. It is 100% sure that after joining seminar implementation, what each candidate in seminar, every candidate will capable for searching job, crack down into and will get a job. This is we are 100% sure. Means up to this moment, what the thing is, we are conduct throughout the world, and we always get 100% out of 100% feedback to us that those who are joining the seminar, which is based on a practical basis, because the all seminar conducted by 30+ experience of the, that is they are working as on a project, also they are working on a good different technologies. These are working on selecting candidates, good candidates for the interview process. Means in the interview process they know the rejection point, loopholes, and different things are there. So the thing is, spoon-feed more knowledge is there. Just grab it and go ahead. Less attempt of interview, get good package job. Get job of higher package, get job of higher designation. Up to this moment, thousands and thousands of candidates get job by using seminar techniques, tools, and strategy. This is the three things very, very important. Seminar which teaches you, or you can just adopt techniques, tools, and strategy. These are the three very points that we work on, work in seminar. After joining seminar, candidate themselves without any body help search job and themselves crack down into. Means after joining the seminar, you will find the candidate finds themselves that nobody needs of helps, because every channels get open, every channels get cleared. Means what to do, what to not, and that get clear their personality profiles. They get their different scenarios, get cleared for different scenarios, how to crack down the interviews, what strategy, tools. So just implement, that's it. No need of any training institute, job consultancy. Seminar give you skills value of the candidates, right? That will teaches me skills, how to use your strategy, tools, and techniques. That we teach. Seminar make you perfect. That is the one of the important. Means we are giving 100% sure assurance to you that the seminars make you perfect, and it's you can give to the any MNC challenge that you will get cracked down of the any interview, because this is the very strong channels or something, perfect process that will tell you to do this, not to do this, so that you will get complete clear crystal knowledge of how to crack down interview. After joining seminar, crackdown of interview is very easy, right? Means once you join 14 to 16 hours of seminar, it's very easy for you to crack down any type of interview. It's fine. But without seminar knowledge, tools, and strategy, it's very hard for search job, crack down into and get a job. So many people's candidates, one without the freshers or something experience, sometimes they get stuck. Means sometimes they are giving one interview, two interview, three interview, and after that you will understand that they are fed up with the giving the interview, and they're not unable to crack down the interview, and that's why that what they're choosing in a college as a graduation, or maybe something type of graduation that is not suitable for them, and definitely the failure in the getting a job, and that stream is some not perfect, and they get depression. This is also happened to you. Fine. So now see three type of personality. See, we now just explain you. So what I'm explaining, trying to my best level, that you do about mistakes we are doing explain all type of mistakes in seminar, also teach you means what kind of not to do. Some wise candidate do understand and mistake and modify themselves and start implementing seminar knowledge, tools, and strategy for crackdown into and get a job, right? So this is very easy. Fine. Some candidate don't understand mistakes later after falling the ways. Means sometimes the person fell down in interview and they understand, oh, that seminar already conducted, but they didn't implement. Means very simple way what I am saying to you. We the professional peoples, what we conducting the seminar, we teach you and show you a lake where there is a water, but the horse should, we teach the horse how to drink the water, but horse should have to be implement that technique, tools and strategy to drink the water, right? So same like that. Some candidate understand mistakes later after falling in a whale, but after understanding complete mistake, they come out of the whale and themselves and start implementing in seminar knowledge and stool strategies. Means after falling and failing, they start implementing. So, but they lose some golden chance of attending the interview. But this is the second kind of personality is there. So see, third personality is that some candidate don't understand mistakes even after falling in a well. I mean, they repeatedly we are giving the knowledge, but they didn't implement is that one. That is also that. What I'm saying to you, this is the seminar that 14 to 16 hours gives complete knowledge how to crack down into that. What I'm saying to you, but the word that students say, they just failing is some that example is that falling in a well, they don't want to come out from well and don't want to modify themselves, want to remain permanently in the well. Such type of candidate doesn't grow and doesn't unable to crack down the interview. So attending interview with fake other person biodata or resume. See, this is the one of the good concepts. See, fake training institute experience certificate. See, the thing is, if you so many candidates attend MNC interview using other person resume and change look of the face. See, this is very serious crime is that so many candidates have habits of providing some another person's resume and changing look of the face. But see, current MNCs, they are now using the face recognition machine also. Means why they do all of this, candidate do this, they don't like to understand what kind of questions they are asked by the MNC, or this will see MNC doesn't repeat the questions same like that one, right? There are different techniques and different questions are there. So don't expect that the MNC company will ask you the same questions and same written exam will be. No, absolutely wrong. So don't do this like a scam. Don't go other person's resume. Don't use other person's resumes and change and look the face. Candidate do this for a knowledge process and interview questions of MNC company. Now almost each company use face recognition machines. Candidate easily get caught, right? It directly candidate blacklist from the group of the company. See, one company connected to the another company, right? Thousands companies have connected each other because they like to be use techniques and knowledge and sharing with this for their projects. So once the candidate get blacklist from any company doing some type of scan or fraud, that automatically thousands of company immediately get black, because blacklist sometimes MNC have the common things. Fine. As per rules and regulation of company, it cause legal action, cause imprisonment. Means see, some MNC also took some legal action against you also. Be aware of that one. So rather than it will go for the merit, if you get a job or something and you directly, why you doing all this thing, rather than you can join our seminar, we give the techniques, use that one, use the strategy and go with straightforward. Why you doing all this fraud? So fake advertisement, you try to fake advertise of training institute job consultant that got thousands and thousands candidate job. See, this is absolutely a rubbish. Means what the thing is, training institute, some training institutes or job consultant that got thousands and thousands candidate, they do purposely for money making and money earning scheme is this one. Be aware of that way. So fake training institute and experience certificate. So I explained to you, don't take any fake training institute experience. See, MNC company and training institute, both concepts are different, right? MNC company recruit the professional peoples, those who are getting cracked down in appropriate that way, that MNC company hire them and give good salary or good package to them. See, training institute, they don't understand the person, those who are teaching to you, he is searching a job and he is unable to get a job in MNC. He's finding his own way, but pretend to you that he will give the good training which will be used for crackdown interview. It is absolutely a myth, misunderstanding, and misleading information is there. There is no matching in both concept, right? MNC company and training institute don't have any kind of um, matching concept is there. Both are different things are there, different scenarios there, and working on different concept, right? Taking fake experience certificate training institute is a baseless, and if you get caught by the people interview is a very wise person, because he already gone through thousands and thousands interviews, candidates conducted. He knows what the fake names of the training institute and true names of the MNC companies. So don't do like this. MNC company interview panel easily find out you as a fake certificate candidate, fake experience certificate, cause candidate blacklist from thousands and thousands MNC company or group of the companies at once, right? Beware of that one. MNC company always work in project life cycle. See, MNC concept is work on project. They have their own client is there. They have their own concept, their own research and R&D department. They have working on different technologies. They are working on different kind of projects of there, different scenarios are there. So lot of wide experience of that one. MNC company work on their own professional lives, because they are representing themselves throughout the world. But if you consider training institute is something limited in a particular city, is that just making just 100 people candidates, they work and pay the fee. After 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year, go to home. That's it. They works on training institutes is some different concept. MNC company concept is both different are different ways, different concept, different vocabulary, and different things are there. See, training institute have low grade training. Fake training institute experience that we are considering. Training institute have low grade training. Low grade means they don't understand what to teach, what to not. They don't have any concept. They just pick up the book and start to end what they're saying. Sometimes they leave the things, main concept also in there, because the time duration is also there, and student get bored in 6 months or 1 year training also, 3 months training also. So this is not a concept of that one. We have very low grade training where no concept of project life cycle. See, project life cycle have very standard things that every MNC follow their own project life cycle of conducting the projects, and to implement that problem statement into the project. That's how their own standard is there, right? Training institute teaching training, no use of project or crackdown of technical. So again, I'm saying to you, training institute teaching training, no use of project or crackdown of technical interview. Fake training institute experience certificate damage the career. See, once already told to you, training institute experience like this, which is you have no any experience of or any something working experience of projects, and you are claiming and pretend to that in front of the MNC interviewer that you are something very good experience of 1 year or 2 years of training institute, which is a fake provided by the fake training institute, that you easily caught and damage your career at the starting point, right? And any experienced person also do the same things, that will be also get experienced persons get blacklisted. So fresher and experienced certificate of training institute do such type of lot of mistakes. These are the mistakes, right? These are the mistakes which will be failure at the start of the experienced person also, or freshers also. Don't do like this. So taking fake experience certificate or training institute damage career of the candidate, because time period fake experience certificate candidate have taken that much knowledge, candidate don't. It cause for failure and easily caught for blacklist from the group of companies. See, MNC company, once you get 6 months, 1 year of experience from the MNC, that should be how you are earning at least 1 year or 6 months of actual practical experience on any projects or something, right? But if you get training institute, that then you just taking a fake experience and you are showing something like that which is not a standard, or no any client of that training institute. Training institute who have a client is only the candidate who wanted such a job. So MNC have different clients throughout the world. they have their own products and they have their own standard to follow their own project life cycle also. So this is, you are taking 1 year, sir, and you pretending that 1 year knowledge means you should have to at least complete one project, standard client projects, and you don't have that one. That is a fake experience, fake, that any interviewer will easily caught you, right? And once he easily caught you and blacklist, that's the group of the company. So HR and recruiter, we are talking about the HR and recruiter. So most of the HR and recruiter not known for or sound with the technology. Mostly their background is non-technical. See, most of the HR, those who are working in the MNC, is 80%, you can consider 80-85%. They don't understand the technology concept or something. They just want to recruit. So this is one of the also loopholes. HR don't have time to see your resume in details. See, thousands people have the same degree, thousands candidates have the same marks. So who will get a job? That is a big question, right? So HR, what they do for 10 seats, 5 seats, thousands resume they got. And if you something wrong in a resume, means we also explain in that in our seminar, that means what are the loopholes in seminar resume also, means that is biodata also. So what to represent, what to not, because you are not directly going to the company, fine. So the thing is, the only resume that should in front of the HR. The HR just see within a 30 seconds or 50 seconds, because he gone through thousands of people, and he will decide who's to call for interview and who's to not, right? So he don't have any technical knowledge of that one. So be aware of that. If the company, what kind of technology, what kind of designation they are searching a particular candidate, you should have to be gone through that one. That is very important. If your resume not perfect according to what company or HR want, it goes directly to the dustbin. See, it is very, we see HR will not care about what the thing is there, right? Because see, thousands of people have the same degree and same marks is there. So if you get rejected, doesn't make any difference or loss of the MNC company, because some another candidate also present there, no? Because that's why I'm saying lakhs of thousands people have same degree, same marks, and same. So it doesn't make any loss of difference or any loss of MNC company. And if you are not perfect in resume, that definitely goes to the dustbin. And so though thousands of people not get interview call letter, why? Because their resume is not good. That's it. So we conduct in a seminar, particularly one section is what to represent, means how the professional resume is there. That will we also conduct in that. Why HR or recruiter throw non-compatible resume in industry? Because thousands and thousands of candidates have same degree, same marks, so it doesn't make any difference or to HR or company. Already I explained. A candidate know technology or current work on technology, then attend interview. See, what the advertisement given by the MNC company in some particular papers or something through any website is that one. You should have to go whether technology is match with you or not. So many people do the mistakes. What? They just didn't read properly, and they just go through the attendant. If the HR might be done some mistakes are there, the unnecessary, they are not gone through the resume and call, thousands of people are there, and once they attend the person, those candidates to attend the interview and fail interview because that technology and the particular designation is not suitable for that candidate, that definitely that candidate get failed in the interview. Technology don't know and something knowledge don't know, and what the happens after the same MNC, if the advertisement for the what the technology compatible with the or suitable for the candidate available, that time candidate doesn't allow for the interview. Means why? Because see, there is a rules of MNC is there. Only one means once the candidate get failed in the first interview, that he will be represent after 1 year or 2 years. That is the time period that within 1 year he is not eligible for attending the interview of the same MNC company. So this is one of the this is also one of the loopholes. Is otherwise unknown technology candidate attend the interview, get failed in the interview. Means if the candidate know technology or current work of technology, then attend the interview. Means technology, if you know, attend. If not, don't attend the interview. For failed or same company, as per rule of the company, candidate chance after 1 year. But in 1 year, if the same company for failed candidate known or working technology opening available, as per rule of company, candidate not eligible or HR will not allow you to attend interview, because candidate fail in interview within a time period of 1 year. This is the big mistakes done by the candidate. So again, I say to subscribe Dhananjay and Dhananjay Technology channel, that different seminars and different technical seminars we conduct throughout the world, that will be spoon feeding to you, that will save your money, time, efforts is there very easily. So go to the Sconizion website, click on a page seminar event, different events, timing and date will be there for attending different locations, different seminars are there. So if you like to join or you would like to just book that day, there is a booking process also, we are written there. So any queries related, drop a message or WhatsApp to bottom or message WhatsApp us, that both apps are there. And this is the number is there, you just note down +919935531195, or if you can email to us conexander@hotmail.com. Within 48 hours you will get reply to you. See, some MNC HR do fake recruitment also. That is also big. Some MNC HR do fake recruitment. Some HR do also fake recruitment process for earning money and make money earning or making process. Some HR those do some wrong things also there. They demand money from the candidate also. See, don't follow this process also. Why? Because money is if you give something thousands rupees or something else, and that one, that will should be only work for 2 to 3 months, because you don't have capable to crack down into, that means you are not perfect in the knowledge, right? So that job is not suitable for you if you are not perfect into that way. And the company knows after that, a project manager or a project leader, team leader is they understand that you are coming as something, how you crack down the intro, they get understand, and the company will get throw you out of the company's campus, right? Some HR do also fake recruitment process or earning money or making money earning of or making process. This is also one of the making money or earning processes. After 2-3 months working, joining company, these candidate get out of the company, because this candidate entered company with money basis, not knowledge basis. See, knowledge base always, and crackdown process with the merit is somewhat very different, and that job is 100% sure for a long time. Some HR demand money for recruitment process, it is fraud with company, right? They do fraud with the MNC. Some MNC companies also do like this, means HR also this. Some college TPO, training and placement officer, also offer and do recruitment on money basis, but such process almost basis on fraud. It is fake pro things, means TPO also get the money and the HR and the person also get the money. So beware of that one. So once you get money, 2-3 months, you will find yourself with something you will better after 3 months, and if you are not compatible with the process and project knowledge, and then you definitely the MNC will throw out of the company. So what to do? See, if the job didn't get me, sometimes people, the candidate searching job one to another to another, so didn't get a job 1 year, 2 year, after 3 also not get, and they get depression, right? They are get bored, that they understand that this stream what they follow through the graduation, and what they choose for the graduation, or some stream is there, that process and streams are not suitable for them. But don't think like that. This is what we are providing the solution. This is if job didn't get a job at proper time, if a job didn't get a proper time, it is a big loss for the candidate. First year sitting at home without jobless package is 3 to 4 hours. Means once the person, those who are getting a job in first year, means just come out of the graduation or in a campus interview. If you get a job in campus interview, that should be something 2 lakh, 3 lakhs, 5 lakhs to package up to that for what merit you have. Second year, but if you're sitting at first year house, that is a straightforward loss of 3 to 5 lakhs, right? Second year sitting at home without jobless, then package of 5 to 7 lakhs. And the third year sitting at home without jobless, that will be something package of 7 to 9 lakhs. Means see, if you first year you get a job, 3-4 lakh you are earning. Second year you continue with the job, 5 to 7 lakh you get it. Means increment and all sort of benefits. And third year sitting at third years, if you are continue with the different MNC or the same MNC, you will get a package of 7 to 9 lakh, right? But if you 3 years if you are sitting at home, you will not get entrance into the MNC. So total loss of 3, 7, 9, 21 lakhs is there. So what you suggest to you, best way to join the seminar, which is small expenditure is there. You will get exact spoon feed at how strategy, tools and techniques and different scenario how to crack down the interview. 99% to 100% it is sure that you just implement the knowledge, crack down the interview, get a job and start your career. So what the thing is, MNC company training, I already explained to you. Say after crackdown interview and selection in company provide rich training, what exactly need for projects, right? This is the neck to neck. They will not teach you any garbage or something, because MNC don't have any extra money to expenditure on you. They just go, this is this, implement the project and complete the projects. That is it. That is A grade training, right? The training cover complete of project implementation of product manufacturing with research and development department, right? They are their own R&D department is there, and they are just finding the project life cycle for different product of that one. Might be manufacturing company or might be IT, computer, instrumentation, or any something like accounting. They have their own process. They have their own software products of that. They have their own processes that you cannot challenge that one. So right. So many MNCs have their own professionals in there. Professional in there, something what we can say professional is something, their own product is there. Means some company have their own very well known product is that the whole world is just following that way. So this is also happens. So again I say to you, just join the 14 to 16 hours seminar. That is our 2 day seminars. Mostly we conduct 2 day seminar. Book your seat in sconexon.com. Seminar and event, different location, different time and date. Throughout the world you will get there. And there are different seminars also there. If you have any message on, just follow on WhatsApp and WhatsApp. +91 is Indian code 99355311195. You just call also, no problem, or you can text message sconexon@hotmail.com. You will get 48 within 48 hours get reply. So again I says to you, subscribe Sconexon Dhananjay Technology. Click on a bell icon. If you like the seminar, this introductory part of that one, definitely just definitely follow us. So different technologies and different informative knowledge. Some small part of this is the 1%, not a 1% of that one. 0.5 you can consider the whole seminar knowledge. Rather than our different next time we will provide you the different seminar, different introductory part of that one. So this will be Sconexon Dhananjay Technology is somewhat very good channel for career, and that will be boost to you. So stay connected with us. So subscribe the channels, click on subscribe, like and bell icon for the seminar different technology. So here I am ending some introductory part of this. So thank you very much.